For those that think the stock speaker sounds great, I have the main receiver and the sub receiver both set identical. 12K roofing filter, 4K on the bandpass.
I had made in the past a air-powered tennis ball myself. The tank would hold about 104 air, and I would shift the ball over the tree that I wanted to set the guy line to. But then I dropped it, and it broke the PVC fitting. So then I went to Plan B. You're gonna love Plan B, Eddie. Plan B is a drone, but the drone has a control release hook, and so I could fly over the tree and drop the ball and it string the line down where I want it. And that's how I got this antenna up, was to use a drone to position the guideline over the trees I needed. Eddie, go ahead.
Wow, more than